Hi, everybody. My name is Bonnie Karen, and I'm the literacy coordinator at PALS Project Adult Literacy. This story is called Yolanda and the Yak. Yolanda was a young farm woman in Alaska. They had cows and goats and yellow ducks and lots of other farm animals. She and her husband Yancey were very good at their jobs. They were good farmers. On the weekend, her husband Yancey went hunting. He wanted to shoot a caribou for the winter. When he got back, Yolanda ran to his truck. "What did you get, Yancey?" she asked. Yancey smiled. "Not a caribou," he told her. "Not any ducks. And it isn't dead." Yolanda looked on the seat next to him. Something was wrapped in a blanket, and the something wriggled and made a little cry. "What is it?" she cried. She reached in the truck and yanked the blanket off. And it was a young yak, very young, almost a newborn, and it was very muddy. The mother got stuck in the swamp. "The mother got stuck trying to save it," answered Yancey. "I couldn't get the mom out, but I got this little fella. He's hungry and tired. The mom didn't make it." The little yak yawned and made sucking noises. "What can we give him?" "We have milk," Yolanda said. "I have yogurt. I'm sure something will work." Yancey and Yolanda carried the little yak out of the truck and into their small barn. Yancey washed the yak off, and Yolanda ran to get some of the milk that she had just gotten from her milk cow. Yes, it was still warm. They had to find a clean milk bottle and put a rubber glove over the top. They cut off the tip of 3 middle fingers. Yolanda held the jar upside down until the fingers filled with milk. At first, the baby yak did not know what to do, but then it felt the warm milk and began to suck. They had to give him 3 jars full. He yawned and stood there napping when he was done. "Is he ours?" Yancey asked Yolanda. "He's so little. He will need someone to take care of him." "I called the Fish and Wildlife," Yancey told her. "We can keep him until he's about 1 year old, and then they'll help us put him back in the herd." "Oh, this is better than a caribou," Yolanda said. "What a great hunting trip." And they laughed all the way back to the house.